Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing my Arduino Uno 3 board. I got this from Amazon. So yeah, let's open it up. We simply just have to remove the sticker at the top and then we can already see the board. We'll remove it slowly and boom, look at that, look at that. This is the Arduino board, as you can see. I don't understand any of this right now, but what I do know is to connect this to the computer, you need to get a printer cable, which is basically attached over here, and then it connects to your computer or laptop, and that way you power the device, and you can also code up stuff in the Arduino. So yeah, just keep that in mind when buying this. So this was around £25, and then alongside it from Amazon, I bought the printer cable over here. I got it from this company called Lindy on Amazon. This cable is 0.2 meters, but there's ones which are longer as well. And yeah, hopefully in the future, you guys will be seeing some cool projects I build with this. But for now, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.